Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the water filter in your Samsung refrigerator. Replacing the filter is a very easy job to do. It does not require any tools whatsoever, but I do recommend you have a couple of empty water glasses handy. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the main reason you're looking to change your water filter is you're starting to notice a little bit of difference in taste in your water from what you used to be. That's usually the first indicator that it's time to change your water filter. So our first step is going to be to change your filter. We're simply going to open the doors. Now that the doors are open, we can see our water filter is located right here. Now your new filter will be identical to it, and the only thing you need to do is to remove the cap that's on your new filter. It simply pulls off, and then once you see that you're ready, and you'll notice that there's a couple of O-rings on there, you just make sure they're in good condition, and being brand new they should be. So you can see the filter is in the locked position. The little arrow on the filter is pointing at the emblem of the lock. So when you want to rotate it counterclockwise, so that arrow is now pointing directly at the unlocked position. So to remove your filter, you simply go to grasp it, turn it counterclockwise, and simply remove it. Now my new filter, I'm simply going to take and insert it into the sleeve and then just rotate it into the lock position, and it's all set. So now we're just going to close our doors. In changing the water filter, once you remove and insert the new one, which is empty of water, you're going to be introducing some air into the water line system. So it's a good idea to bleed that out. So to bleed the air, we simply need a couple of glasses, and we're just going to run some water, and you'll see that that air comes through. One of the indications you haven't gotten all the air out is that sometimes this will continue to drip even after you've taken the glass away. Some water will still be trickling out. That's a sign there's still air in the system, and you just need to run another glass of water through. And it's just that easy to change the water filter on your Samsung refrigerator.